with such a powerful storm set to hit us tomorrow, you may have heard the term bomb cyclone.
It gets thrown around here. Field meteorologist Michael Armstrong joining us right now, live from the patio, breaking it down for us. I mean, Mike, that term sounds scary when you hear it or if you see it online. Yeah. Is this storm a bomb cyclone?
I'm glad you asked, because it's actually not, and I'm going to show you why. So let's dive right in. Call a storm a bomb cyclone if the air pressure drops enough over a 24-hour period. These storms also usually have bigger impacts. So the center of the storm that will impact us tomorrow is in Canada right now. As it moves into Kansas and strengthens on Friday, it will produce very intense winds across Oklahoma. Then by Saturday, the center of the storm will move away from us and into Minnesota, and our winds will decrease as that happens. But just because the storm isn't a bomb cyclone doesn't mean it won't be high impact. In fact, look at the fire risk over Oklahoma tomorrow. It's at the highest danger level we have, extreme. Also notice how strong the winds will be over nearly the entire state. Some areas will see wind gusts between 60 and 70 miles per hour. This storm will have widespread impacts in other parts of the country too, like the potential for blizzard conditions in the northern plains. It could also produce numerous tornadoes, wind damage, hail, and flooding to our east as well. Yeah, so the term bomb cyclone is really more of a weather term. It is an official term, but at the end of the day, it's really the impacts that matter most, and that is what we are focused on for you. Field meteorologist Michael Armstrong, KOCO 5 News.